Elecrow, make your making easier.
This video is sponsored by Elecrow, which is the largest PCB manufacturing and assembling company. They are one of the most trusted and popular brand in PCB manufacturing. For ordering your PCB, just go to elecrow.com. Select PCB fan and upload them to Elecrow website, and then I selected layer, PCB quantity, thickness, PCB color and few more options, and then I click add to cart. This will send out project to shopping cart, and then I added my shipping address. And then I selected my desired shipping and payment method. Within 7 days I have received my PCB shipment. Here is the quiz question. What do you think the major difference between this type of push button and this type of toggle switches? If you guess the push buttons circuits just work as latch circuit, then you are absolutely right. A latch circuit is a circuit that turns on or off a switching element and keeps it in that state depending on a set and reset signal on the input that requires only a small voltage pulse to trigger. Now you might be thinking, what is wrong with using the classic mechanical toggle switch, which also often get utilized for lighting in a room or as a power switches in devices? Also, there are plenty of electronic circuits in which latch circuit is mandatory, that it also protects from the higher current flow directly. Although this type of latch circuit like single push on and off are easy to make and looks more professional rather than using an regular mechanical switches, as well as it will last for the long time than a normal push button or any mechanical switches that get rusted and stuck while using for a longer time. So let's start building our project. Elecrow is providing PCBA for mechanical keyboards, 50 pieces, with no soldering fee. Also, you will get 50% discount on the soldering price of quantity 50 pieces. 3D printing services for mechanical keyboards, 5 pieces at price $1 only. Also, you will get 50% discount on the order of 5 pieces. Laser cutting services for mechanical keyboards of material transparent acrylic case, you will get 10 pieces at price $1 only with 50% discount price on ordering 10 pieces. You will find all projects files such as circuit diagram and link for Elecrow website is in the video description. If you haven't subscribed to our channel Creative Inventor, then subscribe our channel for more videos like this.